Welcome to Better and Longer podcast. In today's episode, we're featuring our new series, Roots of Resilience, Empowering Kinship Families Amid Opioid Recovery. I'm Arcelia Armstrong, Director of the Caregiver Support and Kinship Navigator programs at the Area Office on Aging. Joining me today is Chanda Beal, Director of Social Services at Lucas County Children's Services, and Amy Galvan, Manager of Family and Community Engagement Department at Lucas County Children's Services. In today's episode, we're diving into transformative role of kinship support in the context of the opioid epidemic. The opioid crisis has deeply affected families across Ohio, leading to a rise in the number of children entering the child welfare system. This shift has placed immense strain on kinship and grandfamilies who are navigating increased responsibilities, legal challenges, financial pressures, and difficulties accessing health care and housing. Additionally, these families face the emotional toll of trauma, mental health challenges, and ongoing well-being of caregivers and children. We've expanded the Better and Longer podcast to include a new focus on kinship families and grandfamilies impacted by the opioid epidemic. So it's a privilege and honor to have with me Chanda and Amy. Let's start here. Can you, Chanda, share your work at Lucas County Children's Services? What placed on your heart to kind of deal with these issues related to working with families impacted by the opioid epidemic? What inspired you, rather?
Yes. Well, thank you very much, Arcelia, for having us here today. What a better month to meet, but for Kinship Caregiver Month. This is a great time to be able to celebrate all the sacrifices that our caregivers make on a daily basis and celebrate their hard work in maintaining placement of children. So what has inspired me to do this work? I can tell you that Lucas County Children's Services has always really valued the kinship caregivers in which take placement of our children. And in about around 2018, we had the opportunity to fly out to St. Louis and to be able to learn better ways of engaging and supporting kin families. And we brought that information back to Lucas County, and that was from a program called 30 Days to Family. And so where has my passion kind of gone? I love the 30 Days to Family model, which now is referenced as Kinnect to Family, but it talks about the holistic response that we need to give to caregivers. First, the support, the resources, and understanding the challenges in which they face every single day. So my passion is the fact that we know that children do better, and if we can increase and support those families, we know that children and families have better outcomes.
Thank you, first off, for having us here. It's a pleasure to be here to share some information. I've been at the agency now for 25 years, and I serve different roles, whether it be in the placement department, ongoing. I've been in family visits. And I think one thing that I was always amazed with at Children's Services is how grateful we are to have grandparents and extended family members step up and take our children, offering them the love and support necessary during this difficult time that they're going through, because the entire family is going through that difficult time. And I think, piggybacking on what Chanda said, that is why we went and Chanda did the research, traveled, and we developed the Family Search and Engagement Unit. There was never one specific unit that focused on this, but we saw the opioid epidemic, and we wanted to address that. And with that, we created the Family Search and Engagement Unit. And that consists of 2 home study workers and 4 family finders. And what's exciting about it is we've implemented that since 2018, I believe, And with this One Ohio Foundation grant, we were able to add one more family search worker in order to focus primarily on those families that were impacted by the opiate crisis.
And I would want people to know that if you have any questions or need any information regarding resources or supports that are available for kinship caregivers, to definitely reach out to our Kinship Navigator program, a caseworker at Lucas County, or connect to our Family Center hotline at 419-213-3833.
And again, this is the Better and Longer podcast. And in today's episode, we are featuring our new series, Roots of Resilience, Empowering Kinship Families Amid Opioid Recovery. This series is made possible by the One Ohio Recovery Foundation.